Hi friends, welcome to AnyShop online YouTube channel. Today I came with the new product as quit smoking. Yes friends, who want to quit the smoking? This product is very useful. Friends, do you want to quit smoking? Quit smoking is less than 7 days with quit smoking magic. Yes friends, quit smoking magic is a product. Who want to quit the smoking? You use this product, they will easily within 7 days they will quit from the smoking, friends. Okay, I will give the description. I will give the link below the description. Okay, please open this link, friends, and open this link. You can see the order now. Here also having some description, friends. If you open this order now link, you will get the complete details about this product, friends. You can read the description completely. Okay, you can come down and you can see complete. You can read it completely. Okay, you can see here, friends, everything they given, what the product will do, everything they given. Okay, completely read this one. If you want to satisfy this product, you want to buy this product, then you can buy, friends. Okay, they are giving some bonus product also, friends. They are giving three bonus products also. The first free product is how to whiten your teeth. Okay, and end bad. Second bonus is end bad breath. Third one is how to clean your lungs. This when you smoke the smoking, then this all are will affect, friends. So they given this. Sorry. So they given this useful products also. They try it 100% risk free for 8 full weeks. Okay, friends. For 60 days risk free, friends. Okay. This price is only $37. Try for 14 days for only $4.95. Yes, friends. They are giving the offer for only for 14 days. That is 4.95, means almost around $5, friends. At the end of the trial period, you will be billed on one-time charge 32.5. Like this, friends. This is the limited time offer. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, friends, you can try this product. Who want to quit from the smoking? Okay, and first try for 14 days. Just it is very little amount only, just $5 only, around $5 only. If you are satisfied, then it will be they will charge $32.05. Okay. Please subscribe my channel, friends, and please share this video to some your friends, colleagues, and who are smoking, who want to quit the smoking. Please send this link to them, so that they will also use this product, and they will easily quit from the smoking. Okay, friends. Please subscribe once again, friends. Please subscribe my channel, and please click the bell icon so that you will get the notification alert when I upload any new products. Okay, friends. And also please see the my AnyShopOnline.com, so that maybe this product is not useful for you. Maybe other products may be for you very useful. Please check the site, and please go to the site. Maybe you want, maybe you will get some useful product for you. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends.